Your airbags just exploded. There's smoke in the cab. Traffic is backing up on Highway 35 near Holmen, and your phone is already buzzing. An insurance adjuster wants a recorded statement. They sound friendly, calm, helpful, but they're not calling to help you. They're calling to protect their insurance company. If you were just in a wreck and you're searching for a Holmen Car Accident Lawyer, you're probably overwhelmed and wondering what to do next under Wisconsin auto accident laws. Here's the truth. What you do in the first few days after a crash in western Wisconsin can directly affect whether your medical bills get paid, whether you recover lost wages, and whether the insurance company takes you seriously. So let's simplify this. I've spent more than 20 years representing injured motorists across western Wisconsin. I've taken on big insurance carriers. I've tried cases in front of juries, and I've seen the same mistakes cost good people thousands of dollars. Here are 3 things you need to know after a Holmen car accident. Number 1, get medical care and follow through. Even if you think you're just a little sore, adrenaline can hide injuries, neck injuries, back injuries, concussions. Under Wisconsin law, your medical records become the foundation of your injury claim. If there's a 2-week gap before you go see the doctor, the insurance company will argue if you were really hurt, you would have gone sooner. So don't tough it out. Get evaluated. Follow your doctor's instructions. Keep your appointments. This isn't about being dramatic. It's about protecting your health and your credibility. Number 2, understand how insurance really works in Wisconsin. You see, Wisconsin is a fault-based state. That means the driver who caused the crash and their insurance is responsible for damages. But here's what many people don't realize. You likely will deal with multiple insurance coverages. The other driver's liability insurance, your own MedPay coverage, possibly uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, and maybe even your health insurance. Insurance companies do not automatically offer fair value. They calculate risk. They look for gaps in treatment. They look at your prior injuries. They look at how much you've missed from work. And they often make early, low settlement offers, hoping you will take it before you understand the full value of your case or talk to a lawyer. Once you settle, it's over. You can't reopen it later. And number 3, preserve evidence early. If the crash happened in Holmen or in the surrounding community or in one of those busy intersections, there may be traffic cameras, business cameras, or witness statements. Those don't last forever. Vehicles get repaired. Skid marks fade. Memories change. The earlier someone investigates the crash, the better positioned you are, especially in cases involving distracted driving, drunk driving, commercial motor vehicles, or serious injuries. Early investigation changes leverage, and leverage changes outcome. Now let me say something plainly. Not every accident requires a lawsuit. Not every case needs to go to trial, but you should prepare every serious injury case as if it might. Insurance companies know which lawyers settle cheap and which lawyers are willing to try cases in western Wisconsin courtrooms. That reputation matters. If you've been injured in a crash in Holmen or anywhere in the La Crosse area, slow down before you give statements or sign anything. Make sure you understand, do I have a case? What is it potentially worth? What insurance coverage applies? And what mistakes should I avoid right now? A serious injury can affect your income, your family, and your future. You don't get a second chance to handle it correctly. If you need guidance specific to your situation, reach out to the number on the screen or go to the description, because around here we don't let insurance companies push our neighbors around.